Hello, I'm Lily, and in this video, I'm going to explain how to subtract one-dimensional vectors. Let's say we have two vectors A and B. Vector A is equal 3 meters to the right, and vector B, let's say, is 2 meters to the right. We want to calculate A plus B and also A minus B. So I start with A plus B. Is my vector A 3 meters and it's to the right, and vector B, I write here A, and vector B is 2 meters, and this one also to the right. So both of them you can see are one-dimensional. For adding these two vectors, I use two methods. One is using diagrams, so A plus B. So I draw one arrow equal and parallel to vector A. This is my A. And then because I want to add these two together, then from head of A, I start drawing one arrow equal size, same direction as B. So this one is B. A plus B is from tail of first vector, that is A, or I can say from the start point of the first vector to the finish point of the last vector. So I draw an arrow from start point to finish point. So I start from start point to finish point, and direction is from start point to finish point. And this one is A plus B. If I want to use this method, I need to draw my vectors to scale. For the second method, I need to make decision which direction I want to consider as positive. I want to say right is positive. So if I want to add A and B, A is 3 meters to the right. So I write plus 3, plus B is plus, and B again is 2 meters to the right. So it means plus 2. So it's plus 5 meters. That 5 meters shows the magnitude, and this plus shows that the direction is to the right. Right now, let's see how we can subtract vector B from vector A. Firstly, based on your math knowledge, definitely you know I can write A minus B as A plus minus B. They are equal. So A minus B actually is equal A plus minus B. So if I have A, that I have it here, A, I want to add A to minus B. But what's minus B vector? If B is this one, so minus B is a vector same size as B, but opposite direction. So if this one is B minus B, I draw it here. Minus B actually is a vector, same size, but opposite direction. This one is minus B. So it means I want to add A to minus B. So again, we have two methods. By drawing, firstly, I draw one vector equal size and parallel to A. So I add A. This is my A, and then I want to add minus B to the A. For doing that, from head of A, I need to draw a vector equal and parallel to minus B. And as this one is minus B, so from head of A, I draw my minus B. That is this one. And this white one, if you can see it, the white vectors is minus b. So a plus minus b. So as usual, when we want to write a plus minus b, which one is the start point? Here is start point. And this point is actually our finish point. Just I use dashed line to show it. This is our finish point. The sum of these two vectors is one arrow that starts from start point and ends at the finish point. So this one is actually a plus minus b. This is one way, or I can do it. I say, okay, a plus minus b. If I say again right side as positive, I say a equals 3 meters to the right. So it means plus 3 plus minus b actually is same size as b, but opposite direction. It means minus b actually is 2 meters to the left. As we said, right side is positive, so left is negative. So minus b actually is minus 2. The answer is plus 1 meter. 1 meter shows the magnitude of a plus minus b, or we can say a minus b, and positive shows that is to the right direction. Let's go through one more example. Let's say I have vector a that is 5 meters upwards, vector b that is 7 meters downwards, and vector c that is 2 meters upwards. And I want to find a minus b plus c. Let's see how we can find it. I start with drawing first. So I draw my vector. So vector A, I draw it 5 meters upward. So we have A, B, C. I want to find A minus B plus C. So it means I can write it A plus minus B plus C. So it means adding these three vectors to each other. I have A, I have C, but minus B, I need to draw my. If B is this one, actually minus B is a vector same size as B, but opposite direction. Sorry for my really bad drawing. So this one is actually minus B. So I start with A, I draw a vector equal, size, and parallel to A. I start from this point. You need to draw to scale, but my drawing is not good. When you want to do it, actually you need to use a ruler. This is A, and then I need to add minus B to this one. That is this one. So I start from this point. So this one is A, this one is minus B, and then I need to add C to that, and C again is upward. Then I add C again from here. You see, head to tail. First one, and then second one start from head of the first one, and third one start from head of the second one. So this one is C again, same size and parallel. So this one is C. So it's A plus minus B plus C. So let's see, here is actually our finish point. And here is our start point. As you know, the sum of these three vectors is a vector that starts from start point and ends at finish point. So I start drawing that. So I start from this point. Again, I'm sorry for my bad drawing. I try my best. Okay. So this one is A plus minus B plus C, or just I can say A minus B plus C. Right now I want to add these three vectors, but this time actually using numbers. Okay, right now I have our three vectors, upward, downwards, upward. So you see all my three vectors are one-dimensional. So first thing is to decide which direction is my positive direction. I want to say upward as my positive direction, and I stick to this one. So if I say upward as positive, so when I want to add these vectors, so A is 5 meters upward, so I write positive 5. And then I want to add B. A minus B is like A plus minus B. If B is 7 meters downward, it means minus B is same size, just opposite direction. So it's upwards, 7 meters upwards. So it means again minus B actually is again positive because it's upward. And then plus, and C is 2 meters and it's upward. So again, it's positive. So the answer actually is 14 meters. And as it's positive, I write 14 meters upwards. Or I can write plus, that shows that this plus shows the direction is upwards. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.